Next, we will address the aircraft type limit sets. We'll start by understanding what aircraft type limits are and their purpose. In general, aircraft type limits provide the ability to directly input the weather limits specified by the drone manufacturer in the manual for a created aircraft type. This allows for automatic consideration of the aircraft type limits whenever this drone is used to create a mission. This ensures that drones are operated only within the envelope approved by the manufacturer. This feature supports the Operational Safety Objectives OSOs, specifically OSO 23, known from the SORA process. This applies specifically to the use of aircraft type limit sets in NOVA. To create a new limit set, we navigate to the Aircraft Type Limit Set tile in the Asset Manager. Aircraft type limit sets can only be created in the Asset Manager. They are not selectable in the mission setup process to simplify the initial mission setup, and this compliance feature is available only in the full NOVA subscription. To create a new set, click on the plus symbol in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear on the right side, allowing the set to be named and described. To add the relevant weather parameters, click the plus symbol again. Then, select the different parameters from the drop-down menu by checking the boxes. Next, we can customize each limit. Click to open the set and view the limit types. The various limit types are explained in a separate video. More precise definitions of these types are available under the Information section. The limit set can be duplicated to accommodate different wind speeds at various altitudes. For example, to delete the limit set, click on Remove. Once everything is set up, save the limit set. If any changes are needed, the limit set can be edited using the pencil icon. Finally, this newly created aircraft type limit can be associated with an aircraft type. To do this, navigate in the Asset Manager to the Aircraft Type menu. Select the created aircraft, and in the settings of the drop-down menu, there's an option at the bottom to link an aircraft type limit set with the drone, ensuring its consideration in the future.